Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. We are back with another video. In this video, we are going to tell you about the one website where you can monitor all the data breaches happened in the world in the last so many years. You can search about major data breaches or smaller data breaches and you will get the details about how, where and why that data breaches occur. This is the video of our one of the Cyber World series, in which we explore all the cyber technologies and all the cyber world affairs to get to know better about this activity, and we are willing to make world a better place again and to avoid this malicious attacks on our digital services. So in this video I will teach you about one of the website, and you can go there and you will find it interesting, I swear. So let's start. What you need to do, if you want, I will attach the link in the description. Here is the website name is Information is Beautiful. What you need to search is Information is Beautiful data breaches. You need to search this and it will take you at this page. What you need to do is click on this and it will redirect you to this website, a very interesting and very beneficial websites for all of the cyber enthusiasts who are working, who are learning about cybersecurity. Here you can see that world's biggest data breaches and hacks. Selected events, over 30,000 records stolen. Let me take you to this. Here you can see that. Isn't it interesting? Let's start here. We can see from 2004. One attack is here. A former American online software engineer stole 92 million screen names and email addresses and sold them to spammers who sent up to 7 billion unsolicited emails. You can click here to read more. In 2004, here you can see that in 2006, you will see the trend. As far as technology is going to advance, the cyber attacks is also increasing over the period of time. Here you can see that here UK Revenue and Customs. Here you can see that hurt and 130 million people's data compromised. Here you can see that rock you. Here you can see about US military. Here you can see that 76 million record lost. Here you can Sony PSN. These are the Yahoo. Here you can see that Code Ventures, Dropbox, even Gamigo, JP Morgan, eBay, River City, again Yahoo, Marriott International, Facebook, Indian Citizen, Oxydata, Twitter. These are data breaches that happened in the world, in cyber world. Microsoft even. And this is not too old. This is the incident happened in 2021. In 20, Canva. You can see that Canva. Twitter again, Shanghai Police, Experian Brazil, Microsoft, Indian Railway, Tickmaster, Twitter again. So this French government, Dell. So this is the website where you can get details about each of the event which has happened in the past and which is happening right now. It will update all the events and you can get all the information from here. Shanghai police, you can see 1 billion people's data has been compromised there. Uber, you can get details about so many things, Facebook even. So I hope so you like this video. This is very interesting website. I hope you like this video. If you think this video is something beneficial for you, you can click on the like button. If you have some suggestions or you know about different websites, you can comment in the comment section and tell the people about those websites, so this could be beneficial for other people also. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and open the bell icon so that you can get update about our upcoming videos. So see you soon. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.